Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, I wanted to play an advocate. I wanted to pose a bit of a question. Not a question, but I just wanted to have a bit of a rant. Let me rant, okay? I wanted to reach out to my non-natural sisters and also just talk to my natural sisters. I wanted to talk about a topic which I've been feeling for a little bit. I was just being like, let me not say anything, but now I'm like, okay, let me say something. I wanted to talk about the 4C police. That's what I've decided to title it. The 4C police. And the reason I'm calling it the 4C police is because the 4 category type hair, the 4 people, the natural hair in a whole, especially the 4C people, really be policing the whole natural game industry. Yeah. I really just wanted to talk about the fact that, hey, it's like these days it's either you're for or you're against. Everything is like polar opposites. Everything is either you're for or you're against. You're either natural or you're not. You're either with us or you're against us. You're either natural and you love your black skin, you love who you are, or you hate yourself. With which it's not like that, and I know sometimes that I have also contributed towards that perception and that stigma and this and that, but I just wanted to sit here and talk about it and just bring the whole community together and say, guys, like, we are one. Yeah. And it's really disappointing, and that's why I guess sometimes I don't even end up reading the comments in my own videos or anything like that, because it's like, there's one video that I've done, which is my rod set, the perm rods, and like the amount of negativity on that video is beyond me. I don't even read the comments on that video. There's a few people who commented, why are you guys attacking her, when she specifically said this is the first time she's trying it out, when she specifically said she wants to try this out because her hair wasn't dry, when she specifically said she knows it doesn't look good. But people in the comments are like, hey, this doesn't look good, you don't know how to do your hair, blah blah, you're not even for this, you're not even for B, you're not even for C, you titled the video this, that. So much policing on one video which was meant to be fun and just enjoyable. There are times when I actually wanted to take down that video because I was just like, I was getting so many comments about it and on that video that I was borderline ready to be like, let me just delete this video or remove it. But I kept it on there because I was just like, you know what, it's not even worth it. And it seems like these days it's become an even bigger thing where it's like attacking one another, attacking people because of their hair texture. Hey, you're claiming to be 4C, you're not 4C. Attacking people because of the way that they do their hair. Attacking people who, like, for myself as an example, when I started doing YouTube, I didn't know that much about my hair as compared to what I knew now. So my first ever video that blew up and has like 2.7 mil viewers, so many people were attacking that video with hair this, hair that, and I look back and I'm like, no wonder nobody wants to be natural anymore. No wonder people shake when they feel like they want to relax their hair and cut their hair. It shouldn't be like that, that people feel like anxious or nervous or this or that about how they treat their hair, how they comb their hair, how they this, how they that. Just because you've been natural for 20 years and you know everything, and you are God's handmade creation to make the book on natural hair, and you know how to use everything and do everything, doesn't mean that you need to start attacking, ridiculing, and putting down other people who A, just started being natural, B, don't have the money or the resources to be able to buy all the products that are needed. Because let's be real, it's expensive to be natural. Not everyone has the money or the time to be able to be natural. Even myself, my hair spends a majority of the time in flat twists, in mini twists, in braids, in little braids, because I just don't have the time. Not every one of us is a hair influencer who gets paid to do their hair. It's not like that for everyone. So I think we just need to go around and just do a whole census of, shh, calm down. It's just hair. It's not that deep. I am not my hair. I am not my skin. Relax, yeah? It's not that deep, and it should never be that deep to the point where we start attacking each other and segregating, blah, blah. Yes, I know there are bigger issues, you know, such as texturism, colorism, this and that and that. Yes, that's there. But that doesn't mean that you need to propagate that. That doesn't mean that you need to contribute to that. If you're really spending time attacking someone for the way they comb their hair, there is a bigger issue in your life than in their life, because that's just hair on top of their head. It doesn't change who they are. Personally, I think everybody just needs to calm down and stop making it seem like natural hair is just, you know, above everybody else. It's not really. Hair is hair. Everybody is at a different stage in their life of accepting who they are. Some people want to accept who they are with their relaxed hair. That's what they're comfortable with, and that's what they'll always be comfortable with. It's not up to you to dictate what other people should be comfortable with. Some people are nudists. Yeah, some of us are sitting there like, I could never, how dare they? But that's what they're comfortable with. If you are natural and you want to relax your hair, go for it. It's your hair. Do whatever you want to do with your hair. If you are relaxed and you want to shave your hair off and you want to be bold and start your natural journey, go ahead. If all you have at the moment is Vaseline and that's all you can put on your hair, but you want to be natural, then you oil your scalp with that Vaseline until you have enough money to buy whatever it is you need to buy for your hair. Do what works best for you. It's your life. We can't come and die here for the sake of natural hair. No, man. There's more to life than natural hair. There's more to life than being ridiculed for calling your hair 4B when it's 4C, for calling your hair 4C when it's 4B, for combing your hair without water, for not using a spritz bottle, for not wetting your hair, for this, for that. It is not that deep, honestly. And some of us need to realize that it's not that deep and calm down and stop attacking people for stupid stuff. There's more important things in the world than to be attacking people for things to do with their hair, or judging people for not having natural hair, or for not knowing how to take care of their hair or treat their hair. The whole point of it is for people to love themselves as they are. And that involves not knowing how to take care of your hair. You have to love other people because they don't know how to take care of their hair. You have to love other people because they do. The whole point of the journey of natural hair is that you accept yourself as you are, whether that be relaxed, whether that be not, whether that be shaved, whether that be bold, whether that be using Vaseline or using 12,000 products. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you accept and love yourself as you are, and no one can tell you otherwise, and no one can tell you how to live your life or how to take care of your hair but yourself. I'm done. Thank you for your time. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video.